I'm Kelly here with Vicki today, who just her floors done by Express Flooring. How you doing today, Vicki?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. So tell me, how was your experience with your design consultant who came to your home?
Oh, it was really good actually. It was the first time we'd ever done anything like this, so he was really great and really helped us.
And did he help you with color choices and stuff?
Oh yeah. We laid them all out and picked one, and
yeah, it looks absolutely
so,
nice.
yeah,
really
loving it.
nice. And then how are your installers who came in?
Oh, they were great too.
Yeah.
So yeah, really good. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I had no problems with anybody. They were in by 9:30 and out by 2.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, right.
That's really good. And then how was your overall experience with us?
Oh, no problems at all.
Oh,
So very
great.
helpful when we called back because we weren't sure what we were going to do, and they helped us out and guided us through it. So
Yeah.
everything's. I mean,
Yeah, it
we
turned
love
out really, really, really nice.
We love it. We can't wait. I'm like decorating. I'm like, I was just going to put the furniture back. I think
Right.
I'm going to go buy some stuff.
Right. It looks
So,
super nice.
So yeah, everyone's loving it.
And then would you refer your friends and family to
Oh, yeah.
Express?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank you
like I
so
said,
much.
Already
Vicki.
hashtagged you.
Right?
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for taking your time with us today.
Oh, my
I
pleasure.
appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.